Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to surpass existing versions in 2023. There aren't many rumors regarding this phone yet because we don't expect to see it until rather late in 2023. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was introduced on August 10, 2022, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 on August 11, 2021. Although a day earlier on August 5, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 was also unveiled in August of the year of its release. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, early to mid-August appears likely, as each of these announcements fell on a Wednesday. We predict that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released on August 9 of 2023. The company expects to ship 15 million units of the new foldable smartphones that it will unveil next month. This is double the target that it set for the outgoing Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 models. The company expects 2 million units shipped for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 8 million for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Industry analysts believe Samsung's reduced shipment target may have something to do with the uncertainty and demand for smartphones, the increase in raw materials prices due to the conflict in Ukraine, increasing concerns about stagflation, and a possible re-emergence of COVID. May 19 further reduced demand for premium phones. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past from probably will have the company's best snappers. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. You may see a little change in Z Fold 5 design where we only see a slightly smaller and wider display, just because of new hinge design we see on Z Fold 5, quite small compared to Z Fold 3, and that thing also reduced the crease visibility. But not to an extent where we don't see it. The only thing that stands out for Z Fold 3 is its new cameras. It comes with 7.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 6.2-inch cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.